there are many important qualities that can contribute to your achievements and happiness. But there is one thing that causes sustainable long-term success in all aspects of your life is self-discipline. Whether in terms of your diet, fitness, work ethic, or relationship, self-discipline is the number one quality needed to accomplish goals, live a healthy lifestyle, and ultimately be happy. A study says that people with high self-control are happier than those without. Self-discipline is a behavior which we can learn. It requires practice and repetition in your day-to-day life. Self-discipline will allow you to live free life by helping you to make healthy choices, not emotional one. Today, I'm going to share you 5 methods to develop self-discipline. Number 1, remove temptation. There is an old saying, out of sight, out of mind. Removing all temptations and distractions from your environment is crucial. It is first step when working to improve your self-discipline. If you are trying to have better control of your eating habit, avoid the junk food. If you want to improve your focus while working, turn off your cell phone. If you want to develop early morning meditation, exercise, and reading habit, don't turn on your mobile phone. Don't check email or any social medias. And focus on your goals. Number 2, eat regularly and healthily. Studies have shown that low blood sugar often makes our decision-making power weak. When we are hungry, our brain suffers and we cannot concentrate properly. Hunger makes it difficult to focus on the task. We are much more likely to have a weak sense of self-control in all areas of our life. For example, diet, exercise, work, relationship. In order to stay on track, make sure that you are well fueled throughout the day with healthy snacks and meals every few hours. Eating often regulates your blood sugar level and improves your decision-making skill and concentration. It allows your brain to focus on your goals and priorities. Number 3, don't wait for it to feel right. Improving your self-discipline means changing up your normal routine, which can be uncomfortable and awkward. When our behavior becomes habit, we stop using decision-making skills and instead function on autopilot. Therefore, breaking a bad habit and building a new habit not only requires us to make active decisions, it will feel wrong. Your brain will resist the change in favor of what it has been programmed to do. What is the solution? Embrace the wrong. Acknowledge that it will take a while for your new regime to feel right or good or natural. Number 4, schedule breaks, treats, and rewards for yourself. Self-discipline can be hard. Reward your effort. Number 5, forgive yourself and move forward. Starting a new way of thinking will not always go according to plan. You'll have ups and downs, fabulous successes and flat out failure. The key is to keep moving forward. When you have setbacks, acknowledge what caused it and move on. It is easy to be guilty, angry, or frustrated, but these emotions will not help build improved self-discipline. Instead, use these temporary setbacks in your plan as learning experiences for the future. Forgive yourself and get back in your seat as soon as possible. The longer you are off your game, the harder it is to keep going in a positive direction.